Hello guys, so today I'm going to review this product. This is from China and this is like a chopping for onion and garlic and like some chilies. So this is one of the very useful product in at home for those as well who are living abroad and living in hostels. They want to cook in very quick way. Then let's do the review. So let me open this up. And then here this is the main product, and then as usual we have these manual and then charging cable, because this is a rechargeable, and when charging goes out you can charge it again. Here we have this one for charging port, and then for here you can put your onion, garlic, whatever your product is, and this is sharp, and then that's it. It's a very handy product for to use at home. Just snap it like this and then charge it, and then just press the button like this. You can chop wherever you go if you are traveling outside or at any adventure, so you can use this product. Very handy and very useful product. Wow.